Today I'm going to show you how to make this text animations using Canva. Go to Canva and go to video, and let's open this resolution. Click on the background and change the color to any color you want, and let's add our text, and let's change the font to Anton and change the color to white color. Increase the size of the text and place it in the middle of the page. Go to animate and scroll down to stop. Add another text and type the next word. Change the color to white color as well and change the font, and make sure the text have this transparent parts around the text. Let's increase the size and place it outside of the frame and keep just this transparent part. Decrease the duration and duplicate. Go to the second page. Decrease a little bit the size of the text and drag it to the top. And drag this text to the middle of the page. And make sure you remove the animation from the second page and go to the second page and add a text. You can apply the same text just by clicking in this text. Go to copy style and click in this text and open these handles of the text as well and place it outside of the frame and duplicate again. Go to the third page, drag this text to the top. Let's decrease the size of this one and drag the last one to the middle of the page. And add transition, match and move. Let's increase the duration and click apply between all pages. Here is the result. And for the next animation, we have 3 words here. Let's drag 2 of them to the right side, cover them here, keep just this transparent part, and place this one in the middle, make it bigger, place it in the middle of the page and animate with stamp, and duplicate this page and decrease the size of this text, place it in the middle and drag the next one inside. You can adjust the size from here and duplicate. Go to the last one. Let's decrease the size more. And drag the last one. And add transition, match and move, and apply it between all pages. And here's the results. And for the last one, let's make one word in the right side and the other one in the bottom. And place this one in the middle again and animate with stamp. Duplicate. Let's decrease a little bit the size and rotate. And place it here. And drag the next word from the right side and increase the size. Place it in the middle and duplicate. Go to the last page and drag the last word inside the frame. Move this one in the top. Decrease a little bit the size and increase the size of this one. And add transition and make match and move. And apply it between all pages. And here is the results. And avoid making these mistakes while using match and move. For example, if you want to resize the text, always resize from the corners. Don't resize from here. For example, if we resize from here, look at the problem that we are going to have. And the next problem, don't resize the text from here. Just resize from the corners.